Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Jacob.
Nice to meet you, man.
I do a lot of YouTube videos.
Nice to meet you.
Meet you, man.
I got 6 Sundown U15s on 2 Crescendo AKs at .67.
0.67 each? Mm-hmm. Are they strapped together or are they ran separate?
Ran separate.
Game out, okay. Awesome. Is this a fourth order or clamshell?
Ordered flat wall.
Flat wall.
Clamshell.
Okay. Alright. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Hope you enjoyed the quick little walk around introduction of the system. I did not get to see the amplifiers in this video, sadly, as well as I didn't get an official full info walk around like I normally would do. But shout out to him, he did a good job. Go ahead and comment, let him know what you think about his system and say some positive things. This was at the annual Summer Showcase Showdown in 2021 in Jacksonville, Florida. Getting to upload it. Looking forward to showing you how it sounds. He's going to be giving us a 2-song bass demo, old school bass style system. At first I might have considered it a 6th order because it has that front baffle that doesn't have a port with the rear port, but it is actually just a ported enclosure with a chamfer. Having the subwoofers the way they are allows for more breathe room. If you had the subs flat walled right behind the seats and the port in the middle, it probably wouldn't give you as much of a bass response with the seats blocking the port, but it did get the job done, and I like the old school box design layout on it. Anybody that's had older systems, feel free to comment, let us know what you think about these kind of boxes. Definitely sound punchy and clear and still get the sound out right, and he has a lot of cone area. And on his doors, they were really screaming loud. Did have a couple of copyright issues on YouTube as well, as I had to mute, add overlay, or slow down the music. Sorry about that, but that's to get through the copyright issues of YouTube. So be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. Gonna go ahead and get to this 2-song bass demo now. Stay tuned for more daily cardio videos every day on the channel Jacob Vile by subscribing with the bell on, and check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, Jacob Vile. Try to post consistently every single day for the last couple of years, and I hope you're enjoying the cardio videos. Enjoy the bass demo. Thank you very much for showing me. Man, you did good. There's no distortion in this at all. Nice job.
Clean.
Yes, sir. Are y'all Rogue Audio?
Rogue Audio.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Brand new company. It's been a year out.
Okay. Sweet. You have a good day, man.
You too.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.